Here's how it looks after my engine cleaning today. So just to run through, I usually normally clean engines this way. Use some sort of cleaner, degreaser. Simple green tends to work really well. Use a couple of brushes that make it easy to dip in between all the little crevices and cracks. I took the filter off because I'd gotten it wet and I didn't want to start the car with it wet. I'm just gonna let that air dry over there. And after that's done, I usually spray Armor All on everything, and that's something I've done for the longest time. I like the way it looks with Armor All. I'm gonna let it soak in for a little bit, and then I will start the car. That way it warms everything up, and it really just seems to like soak all of the Armor All into everything. Then I'll get some microfiber, and then I'm gonna go through the engine bay right now and wipe it all down and see how it looks once it's dried up and completely finished. Here's look at all that dirt that came off of the engine after I moved the car forward. There's a ton right there, a lot more just all throughout the concrete. Here I am finished up with the engine bay completely. Cleaned the underside of the hood also. A little bit of overspray from all the Armor All on the sides and on the windshield. I'll wash the car when I have a moment to do so. But it looks 10 times better and cleaner than it did before. All that dirt that was on the head, there was a handful on the block. So much cleaner now. I wiped down as much as I could. I think when I clean it again, I'll be able to get small pieces here and there, a little bit of residue there. Obviously, if you clean it, the more frequently you clean it, the easier it's going to be to maintain. Over here, we got some overspray when the car was painted maroon. But overall, I'm happy with it. I dig the way it came out. It looks really nice, and it really was probably in need of it. It'll just make it working on it a lot easier too, and not such a dirty job. And so now that that's done, I'm gonna work on one more item. I'm gonna install this headlight duct from EFB Motorsports. We're just gonna put that on the passenger side today. I don't feel like it's necessary to put one over on the driver's side, just for the intake. I did it on the supercharged hatch just because of all the excessive heat. I was trying to get as much air in there as possible. But we're just gonna put this one on the passenger side, and I'm just gonna clean up a few things. I think I'm gonna remove the hood latch. It's non-functional. I'm using the aero catch. I'm just gonna remove that so it looks a little cleaner there also. And I think that'll wrap it up for today. Pretty short video. Just wanted to get a couple things completed and knocked out today. And that'll be everything that I'm gonna finish up today. I'm glad I convinced myself to finally clean this engine bay. It actually got me really motivated to clean the supercharged hatch. I want to clean my daily EK now. It didn't really take long. And the results are, it just looks so much cleaner. I love the way it turned out. Valve cover actually looks really nice. A little bit of scratches here and there, but it actually looks really nice now that I cleaned it, being that original finish. The headlight looks awesome. I love it. I was thinking, I have both. I love the way this one looks so much. I was considering putting the other one on, but I think I'll just skip it for now. Let me turn on the headlights. Man, these look so cool. See down there where the filter's at. It's perfect for this setup and on this kind of car. I bet the light that this one shines off now is better than the original one. These projectors just seem to shine such a nice light. You can see here it's nice and crisp on the garage. The other one, I can't tell where it's really aiming. It's just kind of blurry. So that might be a good reason to install both, but that'll be it today, guys. Next time I'm gonna get out here, finish up the last few things. I am going to adjust the height. I actually just received my brand new Max Speeder Rods coilovers. They made a new set. It's supposed to be some new upgrades. We're gonna get those put on, adjust the height, get my splitter that I cleaned up, get that put back on, and the car should be ready to go. Nothing else we need to take care of. Oh, just one last thing, oil change, but that's super simple. I'll knock that out real quickly. And after that, we should hopefully get back at the track and have some fun, guys. Thanks for tagging along today. Always appreciate it when you guys come spend a little time on my channel. And we will see you soon. Take care.